Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the NJZ camping chair, and this is a oversized chair with a back on it, I suppose. That's kind of what I ordered. So we will see what we got here. Let me open this up and put it down here. So let's say it comes with a little case for itself. Let me just put this down here. Okay. And this is what it looks like here. Let me aim y'all down so you can actually see me use it here. Okay, so this is it here. Let's open it up and check it out. Ta-da! Comes with some instructions and the chair. So it opens up like that. Oh, look at that. Opens up, opens up. Nice. Look at the size. These are some beefy ones here. It says, I think it said it holds up to like 600 pounds or something ridiculously large. There. Now the little button came out. Let's see over here. I'll aim it this way for a second and show you guys what we got. Over on this side here, we have a little pouch. Oh, can't see it. Here we go. So we have a little place here to put like some whatever stuff, snacks. Here we can put our can or soda. This one here, we can put some other stuff here. So we have that, and then we just get to sit and be in comfort. Very supportive chair, nice and strong and comfy, and nice pillow. And then when we're done, say we're all done and we want to go back home, be great for taking it along to like soccer games and things like that. You just push these buttons in and it shortens up. Push it in, shorten it up. There, 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 there. So we've got all these, and then these ones here. And I'm sure as you use it, it gets slightly easier to do as you figure it out. But here we go. So now, how did we get it to go? This will go. I pull the little pin here, and then it's going to fold down the other way. Like that. And there we go. So now I'll probably push this down in here. There we go. Push it all down into this way. And then this will wrap around to tie it all up and to put it back into our bag. So here we go. So now it's all tied up again and back into the bag. Very nice. And that was without even going through the instructions. If we look at the manual here, and you see this video 3 or 4 minutes long, and we've got it all figured out. Here it has all the instructions here, opening it up and then closing it. Basically, we did it pretty right. Probably should have done the shorter ones first, but other than that, we're good. So super cool, super easy, super awesome. Thumbs up.